An electron is accelerated through a potential difference V. E is the charge on electron. It is accelerated through a potential difference V, and it passes through a uniform transverse magnetic field and experiences a force F. If the accelerating potential is increased to 2V, if V dash is equal to 2 times of V, then the electron in the same magnetic field B dash is equal to B will experiences a force F dash equal to question mark. Force F dash, that we have to find out. Now we know that when charged particle travels through a magnetic field, then kinetic energy is equal to potential energy. Kinetic energy is equal to what? Potential energy. What is kinetic energy of charged particle? It is half m into v square, and potential energy is charge multiplied by potential difference, or velocity v is equal to, take these two to this side, so it is under root of 2ev capital V divided by small m, divided by what? Small m means velocity of charged particle is directly proportional to square root of potential difference applied. Therefore, velocity in second case to that of velocity in first case is equal to under root of v dash divided by v, v dash divided by what? V, or it is equal to under root of, what is value of v dash given? 2v divided by v. So these two get cancelled with 2, so it is under root of 2, or v2 is equal to root 2 times v2 is equal to root 2 times v1. V2 is equal to what? Root 2 times V1. But we know that force acting on charged particle when it is moving in uniform magnetic field is what? Q into V cross of B, because that field B is perpendicular. Actually this force F is equal to Q into vector V cross of vector B, means it is QVB into sine of theta. Here direction of motion of charged particle and direction of magnetic field, they are at right angle, and sine of 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, that force F in magnitude is taken as QVB. So, as force F is equal to Q into V into B, therefore, force is directly proportional to velocity. Force is directly proportional to what? Velocity. Therefore, F dash upon F, F dash upon F is equal to V dash upon V, means it is V2 upon V1, means it is, what is V2? V2 is equal to root 2 V1 upon V1. So this V1 get cancelled with V1, or we can say F dash is equal to root 2 times of F. F dash is equal to what? Root 2 times of F. So out of 4 options, option D root 2f is the correct option for this question.